Today we'll be making Gondi, a traditional Persian dish. It's a type of meatball made of chicken, chickpea flour, lots of onions and spices. This dish was created by the Jewish Persian community. Most non-Jewish Persians aren't even familiar with it. You can find Gondi in every special event celebrated by Persian Jews. Sabbath dinner, for example, wouldn't be Sabbath dinner without it. I migrated to Israel in 1977, before the Iranian Revolution. I brought my love for cooking with me. I learned how to cook traditional food from my parents, and this love inspired me to open my own restaurant in Tel Aviv. One of the largest Persian communities in Israel is situated in the area of Levinsky Market in Tel Aviv. Many of them own spice shops where they sell things like spices, lentils, and Persian rice. Without these authentic products, I couldn't run a real Persian kitchen. The combination of spices reflects the flavors of authentic Persian cuisine. Cardamom is the most dominant spice along with cumin. It's almost impossible to separate myself from my roots and my identity. I'm proud to be Persian and cook food that people love. I think these days Persian food is some of the best in the world.